F1 is a smart Bluetooth headset. It can be used to control your mobile phone to play music, answer phone calls, use the voice control, adjust the lighting and sound effects, and most importantly, use the intercom. Next, I'll demonstrate how to set this up and use it step by step. Some of the following operations will require you to be connected to the mobile app. So next, I would recommend that you go ahead and download and install the ASMAX World app first. The ASMAX device has two buttons, the function and the intercom button. In order to turn on the device, simply press and hold both buttons at the same time.
Hi, Max. Battery 100%.
Once the device is turned on, we need to pair the device with our phone. So go ahead and open the Bluetooth settings within your phone. And then press and hold the function key on your ASMAX device.
Start pairing. Device 1 connected.
Once we've connected the device, next we'll need to connect with the ASMAX World app. So go ahead and open the ASMAX World app. Press the plus sign. On the pairing screen, you should see your ASMAX F1 device. Press that.
App connected.
And then you're connected. And check it out, you can control many of the basic functions here within the app, including sound. You can increase or decrease the volume. Phone, you can increase or decrease your calling volume. You can turn on or off auto answer, voice dial, or calling join in mesh. Auto answer is you will automatically pick up any phone call you receive without pressing any buttons. Calling join in mesh is any phone calls that you answer will automatically be joined to your team intercom. You can increase or decrease the music volume. You can increase or decrease your mesh intercom volume. And we can even personalize our LED experience. We can change the colors on our LED light. We can adjust the brightness or frequency. And we can also change the frequency of the flash between slow and fast. You can also turn on or off the knocking function. And these are just some of the functions that you can control within the ASMAX World app. Once we want to turn off the device, simply go ahead and press and hold the function and intercom keys again.
Remaining battery 100%. Bye-bye.
And your ASMAX F1 device is turned off. To restore the factory settings, you can long press the function key and the volume plus key at the same time.
Factory settings have been restored. Remaining battery 90%. Bye-bye.
Once the operation is complete, the device will reboot for about 30 seconds and reset.
90%.
The ASMAX, the F1 unit, has Bon Jovi tuned speakers that will make your music sound fantastic. When you play the music, you can simply press the function button to play or pause the music. You can also hold the volume down to go to the next track, or hold the volume up to go to the previous track. You can also tap the volume down or volume up to adjust the volume. Or you can simply use voice commands to control the music. Hey Max,
Speaking.
next track.
Okay.
Hey Max,
Speaking.
volume up.
Okay.
Hey Max,
Here.
volume down.
Okay.
Whenever you're using the F1 unit, you can press any button in order to pick up the call, and you can press the intercom button to hang up the call. If you are dialing someone else or someone else is calling you and you would like to hang up that call, you can long press the intercom button. Additionally, if you want to turn on or off the auto answer function, you can simply simultaneously press both the volume up and volume down buttons,
Automatic answering is turned on, and the phone can automatically answer incoming calls.
or you can do this directly within the ASMAX World app. Here's something you'll find interesting. When you're in a team intercom chat and a call comes in, you can actually join that caller into your team intercom chat. You simply need to answer the call and then long press the function button in order to allow that caller to join your chat. But remember, to make this happen, you need to turn on the calling join in mesh option in the ASMAX World app.